Okay guys, so it's my third time I'm making this video. We also like behind me hiding. So I made his account and excuse me for how it is if it sucks. This is his account. You guys can go follow him at that. And he currently has 5 followers. I'm trying him to 1K followers. I know it won't, but we'll see. I follow most of you guys back, especially the fan accounts. And if you guys comment on his posts, and I'll let you guys get a shout out. And we also appreciate it. Yeah, why that was second to him because the fist fine. Yeah, so right now I'm putting all my videos I make onto my laptop so I can upload them on my computer. Currently he has 5 followers. So what I'm gonna do, hey fam 310, is we're gonna go over here. And hey fam 310, you should be getting messages from Rios. Yeah, but if you guys are new here, my name's Haley King. You got the Hey Fam, and you're on the journey with me in a small town called Oshalita. And you on the journey of me going to doctor's appointments, doing all these crazy things. But I see you guys morning. Peace. Stay true to you guys all. Be you. Be different because we don't need war to have it to where we're all the same. Make a difference. Never know. Peace.